Okay, I'm back down at Lake Illawarra. I haven't put my sub in here. It's high tide, which is good. And there's one pelican over there. And there's a seabird there. It's what are they called? Stands on one leg on the rocks. Oh. And pretty quiet down here at the moment. It's going to bring the boat down, but I've got a friend of mine coming over tomorrow, and we're going to go fishing. Oh, look at that pelican there. Look at those mountains. Aren't they beautiful, and those cliffs? And Bobby? Hey, Bob. So I'm going to put my sub in. It's got a problem with two of the thrusters at the moment, but I'm trying to free them up. But it should be okay, because it's got 8 thrusters. It might go a bit wonky, but I need to get it back in the water again today. And I haven't done Lake Illawarra. So this will be a test, so I can take it out in the boat tomorrow. Anyway, wait a second. Stay there, Bob. Look at the water, how crystal clear. It's just like Jervis Bay. Oh, there's a shag on a shag on a rock, we call them. Another bird next to the pelican. It's pretty windy. Probably gonna get some noise from the microphone. It always gets windy down here. Look at these seagulls. They're gorgeous. Great white shark. It's been spotted quite a few times. I think it was trapped in here, I don't know. It just likes to be here. Plenty of fish. Hello seagull. Seagull. Hi pelican. Hope you get well, Sky. And I hope your dog, your German Shepherd, does well. There's Peter the pelican. What a great backdrop. Very windy now. Okay, let's put her in. Let's put her in over here, I think. See you in a sec, guys. Oh well, I put me M2 sub away. I've got problems with two of my thrusters and top right and bottom left, so I was sort of spinning around a bit. I'll free them up, but they've got problems with my lights as well. And I don't know, maybe it's a technical problem. I'll sort it out. There's a storm rolling in now, which they forecast, and it's really windy, and I've lost my cap. The cap went flying. It's so windy somewhere in Lake Illawarra. But I'll be on the water tomorrow morning with my mate Nad. You right, Bob? I might put the drone up. I got my Mavic 3. They can handle these strong winds. The little minis, they really struggle. They use a lot of power. I prefer my Mavic 3, not Mavic 3, Mavic 2 Advanced with zoom. Okay guys, that's one of my favourite actually. See you later, alligator. Hooroo. So I'm just trying to work out with the lights what happened. Some sort of technical or software problem. And I will run her, but I've got my two thrusters on order. This is a problem when you move house. Things sit around for a while. And I'll put her in here. It's a storm coming again, and I will run her for a while and see how we go. So I just rang up Sphere Drones and I made sure they're coming. Some other fish tank outside, a holdover fish tank. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Hooroo.